People, nothing Musa no go see for gate. God, one day on one problem, the other day one palaba. What is going on in Africa? Pastor of a thing, are you people serving God? I want to know if people are serving God. How can a pastor ask neighbor to open his leg that you want to do deliver in a private part? All the name of deliver. You want to pray for a member. Then you ask her to open her leg inside a private part. You are doing deliver. My people, I don't even understand, and I don't know what is happening to some people. Whether a devil won't just take, it won't rule this world. I don't just know at all, because it's getting too much. The kind of things where some pastors they do, even native doctor, they can't do it. They can't. Some native doctor, they are so afraid of doing something, waiting on get head, like all those kind of things. I know say bad native doctor, they just see many from one corner now. Now then they use people for ritualists. Now then they ask Yahoo to bring different things. That's why you see, we get good pastor, we can't get fake one follow everywhere. How can you call yourself a pastor? And my people, waiting the one when it was pastor, waiting as in the way this man talk, hey God, I don't even know what to say. The way this man started preaching, as he called a quote Bible for you. He say the Bible say deliver, made the deliver person bekus. Hey, rishi, made the deliver person bekus. In the Bible. I will drop the video for you guys. You guys will watch it and you will see it yourself. You will hear yourself. Not but let me go yan. Because they will ask him question. You are the one even quoting Bible for them. Devil now, when I see for inside Bible, where devil they tell Jesus make he chop, make he turn stone to bread. Jesus they quote for her, instead they quote for Jesus. Now so now, now be this man also. With it bonyanka, he never say make evil see fear. You see they talk and open your mouth, they talk and say the Bible, say this, that. You guys should stop calling God name for ungodly thing what they do. You guys should stop it. All because of prayer now. A lot of millions of millions of people, they'll go get belle for pastors. You go say, pastor go tell her say, open. My if I lash you. If I lash you, you go tell her make it carry. Even they get belle, make it born and make it toss and the man get her. What the name of pastor? This is the reason why some men they don't allow their wife to go church. Daddy. You can't call your husband sweet name. Sweet name. You will be calling your husband Papa Shinwedu, Papa Gosta, Papa Osti. Then you will be calling pastor daddy. You don't know your daddy. It's like you don't know your daddy. You don't know your daddy at all. I will show you your daddy. What kind of thing is this? All the name of pastor, you guys want to turn the Africa to something else. It's shot all over the world. All the name of pastor. You people should stop it to preach the gospel for people. And no one should say, I don't know what is wrong with Africa because of deliverance. In abroad, yeah, pastor will not even touch you like that. They will just touch your forehead, finish. They will just pray for you, bless you. But Nigeria will be, oh yeah, where are you feeling the pain? If it is your bekus, the pastor will touch it. You people should respect. You guys should just make una park well. You people should park well. The time when the people una will take preach gospel, good word, good topic for people, you guys will not do it. You as a pastor, go the kolobo for person who say na deliver. God have mercy. So I'm going to drop the video for you guys to watch. Meanwhile, today is the first time, my people. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Drop your comment below.
Okay. So what happened? A woman was brought to my office. Yes. She said she has a spiritual problem and narrated many things like that. In the church? In the church. Yes. People who brought her, they were here. They were there in the church with her.
Yes.
She came to my office and narrated all those things with the way she was feeling. So she told me, I told her that this kind of thing, look at what it may result. Now prayer.
Yes.
Now then they said fight a spiritual battle. I told her that I will anoint her breast and also her womanhood.
In the private part.
Which she accepted.
Is it the private part?
Yes, in the private part.
So what did you now use?
Anointing oil, I take it to pray for everybody there. I pick it and
okay, so what did you now do with the anointing oil?
I use it to anoint her.
Where did you private part?
And lay hand and prayed.
And where again?
Her breast.
Her breast.
Because of the operation.
Was it the two of you that were just there, or they were
in the office? Two of us.
In your office?
Yes.
Nobody was there.
There outside.
Okay. But they said that's what you do to so many women. Tell us that.
Not so many women. Some few people that have similar cases like that.
Some women.
And they didn't. The problem was
some
solved.
Women. Do you do it to men?
It depends on the men like me. If they come,
have you done it? Wait. Have you anointed men's private parts, or because they can go and find out? If no, say no. Have you?
Yes, but not in this church.
Okay, not in
this church.
Which church?
Another place where the woman was telling the man. They said the man was he could not pregnant a woman, so she came.
The man came.
The man came. So after narrating the spiritual problem, I anointed his manhood and lay hand and pray, and the man body came up.
Okay, this particular woman now, did she remove her pants and bra, or
no,
what happened?
She did not remove her bra. Na gown he wear. So I only draw this thing and drop the oil and lay hand and pray on the breast too. Then on the private part, Nami take hand, also draw the pant because she was kneeling down. I now put oil on my hand and lay it and pray. That was all before God.
So what now happened?
She left.
She's 10 months pregnant now, and she's unable to deliver.
So, sir, to the best of my knowledge, if what she told me was actually the truth, nothing like this would happen, except if she's hiding anything. And there are some people in the village, the pastor, there are some people who carry belly for 3 years. They call them Igbe. I have a member like that. There are people who carry 10 months, some people who carry 12 months. So depending on circumstances.
But now they said the baby is no longer kicking.
He didn't tell me anything of that nature.
Okay, so what happened to you after that time?
Nothing.
They said they came to attack you.
Okay. It was last Sunday in the afternoon. We closed from church. When I was resting, I hear say people they find me for parlor. I came out. So I say, where are they? I can't say they sit down. So after they sat down, then the mama was now telling me, say this afternoon, this young man and his wife, you don't know what they were doing in the room. After they talk, finish, the man ran out. So I say, where is the man? What happened? As I was about to ask the question, I see say this one and group of people, they were dragging him. So he just passed into my house and distracted the attention that we were about to discuss and begin to put things down and destroy.
What did they destroy in your house?
They destroyed my cotton board, my curtains, my lamps. So when they say he was going forward to destroy more things, they now...
Does your wife live in your house?
Yes, my wife lives in my house. It was when my wife said they don't want us to talk this matter. My members were telling the young man to cool down, let us talk this matter. They want to hear from the man. My members, they did not listen to anybody.
Why did police hold you?
The police hold me because I anointed his wife's private part. That is why they are holding me on my own case.
Where is it in the Bible where you are expected to anoint a woman's private part? And
in the book of Mark chapter 6.
Yeah, what happened?
Verse 13, Jesus Christ said we should anoint the people who are sick and pray for them.